In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on NinjaTrader. So this is the web version right now. Of course, first you want to be signed in. I'm using a demo account over here. And to actually place a trade, it's very simple. Just go to the top left where you can see this button, which is like an arrow up, arrow down, and it says trading. Click on that, and then over here, first you'll have to, of course, select what you are going to trade. Now here, you can just basically click over here. It's going to display you all the different options right now. Click on the one you would essentially like to buy, and then here, make sure buy is selected, or of course you can sell as well in case you own any, and then the quantity should be selected as well, like this. You can put in the order type, so this can either be market, limit, stop limit, TRL stop, or TRL stop limit, okay? So after you select this one, you can go over here, you can set some of your settings, the TIF, and then the release, either you want it on or off, and then after you do this, you can just click on send over here, and this is essentially going to place a trade. Now you can go ahead and go to the advanced section over here as well, which allows you for a bit more customization, but if you want to go for the more simple option, just click on send over here, then click on buy, and just like this, there we go, there's an audio in the back playing, and as you can see over here, I've just bought this successfully and placed a trade. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.